Welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen. So today we will be making some nice beef mushroom risotto. So that'll be fun. So let's get started. So we need oil in the pan. Don't forget to give the video a like. Like the video. Just sauteing our ground beef. Onion powder. That was thyme. A little bit more. Got some our famous Italian seasoning. Can't forget that. Garlic powder. We'll add some fresh garlic, but yeah, some garlic powder. Okay. Pretty fun. Yeah, risotto's fun to make. It takes a bit of time to make because you have to stir it for 25 minutes, non-stop stirring. So I'll definitely show you a certain amount of the stirring part. So that's important. If you want to make risotto, you have to pretty much stir it non-stop for 25 minutes. It's good for the all arm workout. Our two famous ingredients. Pepper, salt, saute her up. I think you need more fire. Poof! So our ground beef is all sauteed up, so it's pretty looking pretty good. All right, now for the risotto, we're just gonna heat up our pot. Our famous oil, just a little bit of canola oil or vegetable oil is totally fine. Normally I do cook with olive oil. I'm going to get some olive oil, so it's very important to have warm or hot chicken stock. So that's this is right here. This is important step. Oil is almost hot. You got to make sure it's hot. That's important. The onions, the pot. You hear that sizzle. Pepper. Well, onions don't come seasoned, so you gotta make sure they're seasoned. Salt. Arborio rice, that's risotto. That's Arborio rice, that's risotto. Stay tuned for more information about some history about risotto. The history lesson is for when we're stirring the risotto. Yeah, I just want to saute onions up until they're translucent. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is really important when you're doing risotto to toast the rice. So that's what we'll do after the onions are nicely sauteed. Nice in there. Now we're just going to stir. Toast the rice, very important step. And this is still part of the pasta series. I think it's really important. Well, risotto it's rice, so it's not really considered pasta. But yeah, it's definitely it's in that category. So that's why I thought I'd do risotto. Very important. So I guess my pasta series is kind of turning into more Italian style food, but it's very traditional, right? So that's totally fine. Take a little bit of chicken stock. Okay, a little bit aside. Okay. You don't want to put too much in, just a little bit of it at a time until it does its yeah, pretty much how the rice works is you don't add too much. You just want to add like a little bit, cook it down, and then add more. And all you're going to do for the next 20 or usually 22 to 25 minutes is stir this rice. Stir. too much, just a little bit at a time.
Risotto is a northern Italy dish with the rice dish cooked with broth until a creamy consistency. The broth can be derived from fish, meat, or vegetable. Many types of risotto contain butter, onion, white wine, Parmesan cheese, and is most common ways of cooking rice in Italy.
Put a bit more pepper. Okay. A bit more salt. Okay. You can't walk away from this. Very important. You don't want to walk away. You just want to see how it's all dissolving now. Okay.
Just leave me a comment.
That's what you want. And remember, make sure your sock is warm. That's an important part. So make sure it's warm. I also had a chance to make some chicken stock. I already showed you that recipe, so when you get a chance, just click that video up top. There's your chicken stock. And that's pretty much risotto. And I'm going to do this for another 20 minutes, and I'll meet you back and then show you when it's complete. And then we'll add a few finishing touches, and then we'll have a completed risotto. We'll cook the risotto. There's some chicken stock. I'm stirring it like continually. Halfway through, I guess. I'm getting tired stirring all this. Stir. My hands are sore, but it's part of making risotto. Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, Parmesan cheese. Perfect. Touch of sugar. Not much, just a little bit. Half and half cream. Back on the fire. Alright. Ground beef. Okay. Maybe not all of the ground beef. We'll add some ground beef in there. Alright. Saute some mushrooms up. Put them in there. Okay. Fire the mushrooms. Alright. Rosemary, sage, and thyme. Herbs with the mushrooms. Right here. Okay. Risotto. Not a lot, but some. Thyme. Mushrooms up, and those are nice organic button mushrooms, good ones to use. Garlic, all right. Need 100 cloves of garlic. Don't burn your mushrooms. All right. Flavor for the mushrooms. Butter. Okay. Garlic going here with the mushroom. Touch of seasoning. Okay. Pepper. Okay. You always season everything as you go. Important rule. And into the pot with the lovely risotto. Okay. The risotto back on the fire. You know, it's got to taste. It's good. Doesn't need anything. Perfect. Awesome risotto.
There's your complete risotto. Risotto. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.